Eze Ike Eluwa, King of Heavenly Power. Eze Ike Eluwa from the Igbo language. The Igbo language is still spoken today by the Igbo people there in the east of Nigeria. Nigeria located in the west of the land of Shem and Ham, commonly known as Africa. The Igbo people are descendants of Eber, one of the grandsons of Shem, and Shem is one of the sons of Noah. All right, so that word Igbo, Ibri, Iba, Hebrew, synonymous, ones who crossed over the river. All right, Euphrates and several rivers, so seas. All right, so the word Eze means king, Ike means strength or mighty, Eluwa, that's heaven, right, in the Igbo language. The Yoruba people are also connected with the Hebrews as well, who migrated there in the west of Nigeria. Eloah or El represents also master, Lord, all right, or they would say Eluwa, right? So the word El also is connected with that word in the Igbo, Eluwa. That's heaven, or Eligwe, or the land of the king. He's the Almighty. He's the King of Kings. And then Eloah in the Yoruba language, or Oluwa, which means master, creator, or Ella, creator of all things. Right. So, the word Ezekiel comes from that, the Igbo language, and which is the original Hebrew language. All right. So Ezekiel, he was known as a priest from the tribe of Levi, son of Buzi. He was one of the sons, and there were also daughters, children of Israel, that were exiled out of Israel due to our forefathers' disobedience, especially by King Joachim or Jehoiakim. In the book of Kings, talks about how some of the good kings